What's up guys, welcome to yet another unboxing and review from Qasper. The Xiaomi 10K mAh 33-watt Power Bank Pocket Edition Pro is our product for today, so let's have a closer look at the device. The Xiaomi 33-watt Power Bank 10,000 mAh Pocket Edition Pro is not only compact, it's also a very powerful portable device. When you first pick up the Xiaomi 10,000 mAh 33-watt Power Bank Pro, you'll notice that it's quite small and lightweight, which is only 212 grams, perfect for tossing into a bag or purse for on-the-go charging. It supports Quick Charge 3.0 technology, which means your devices will be recharged in no time. For example, the Xiaomi 12 will fully charge you from 0 to 100% in as little as 56 minutes, and an iPhone 13 with a fully depleted battery can already be charged twice. It comes standard with a 2-in-1 USB-C and USB-A charging cable, so you can use the power bank right away. You can use both ports to charge two devices at the same time, and the power bank itself charges lightning fast via the USB-C port. Also, what's great is the 33-watt output means you can even use this power bank to charge your laptop. The USB-A port on Xiaomi 33-watt power bank supports a variety of fast charging protocols. Apple 2.4a, Samsung 5V2a, DCP protocol, and QC 2.0 or 3.0 are all supported. The sleek design of the Pocket Pro is something you will fall in love with. The soft contours and the color schemes with high gloss finish make it quite a beauty. The edges and corners are smoothly rounded, making it comfortable to hold in your hand. Plus, the front and side shells are made of durable materials that resist scratches and scuffs. You sure can trust this power bank to keep your devices charged up and ready to go, no matter where you are. All in all, the Xiaomi Pocket Pro is a power bank compatible with a wide range of devices, so you can charge your smartphone, tablet, or even your laptop. You'll never have to worry about running out of power, whether you're at home or on the go. There we have it, a perfect pocket power bank. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified on our next video.